Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and today we are going to do a 15-minute ephemera, a stashed style from my stash, and it's going to be a quick one, but grab your supplies and get ready because it's gonna be fun. Before we get started, a special shout out to all of you who continuously come back and play along with me and to support my channel, the Makers Market, our live sales, and just for being here and being my friend. I appreciate you. And for those new to the channel, if you haven't yet subscribed, I invite you to do so. And if you are recently subscribed, thanks for joining the fun. So what are we going to need today? Well, you're going to need some papers. I'll show you what I'm going to be using as my substrate or my base today. If you have a number stamp similar to what these are, that is what I'm going to be using. I have a couple stamps. I have some avocado from Close to My Heart and some black also from Close to My Heart. I have a little ribbon, which you'll understand why in a second, and I have my scissors and a hole punch. Now, some of these things you might not need, but that's what I will need for mine. I did grab this piece of deli type of paper that I thought we might practice on before I get carried away here. But in one of my Happy Mails from our friend Hazel from Hazel and Aka Design, she had sent me, this would have been probably for a wedding invitation. And included in this was this little card, probably went inside the envelope. You would have maybe printed your RSVP or places to stay, you know, all the deets on that. And then this would have been what they printed the actual invitation, or maybe it could have been even the program for a wedding, right? And then also in this pack was this piece of mulberry paper, or, you know, that's called different things, but kind of handmade paper look to it. It's got some greens and such. So we're going to use this as our base. We're going to use this right on top of it, and it's already got the holes in it. So my thought was, let's just go ahead and make it 3-layered. Very easy. 3-layered, and then we'll tie it together with this bow. But we're going to add something kind of fun in honor of Miss Hazel. I thought this would be appropriate, and I think I will probably tuck this inside of my tree journal that I bought from her to accompany it and for lots of journaling space. So here's what we're going to do. This is what it's going to be when we're done. We don't need this right yet. What we do need are these two pieces. But before we do that, let's practice on this deli paper. So I'm just going to grab a couple of these out. Oh, that's my birthday. I don't know what that says. 1/15/23 maybe. And this one has words on it. I don't know what that says. Answered, I think. So here's what we're going to do in our quick 15-minute video. We are going to create some trees using these. Now, this was inspired by a book that I did a while ago. I did some black and white ephemera. This is from the Typography book that I'm going to do the first one in black just so maybe it will show up better, I guess. In the Typography book that I was using. And in there was a whole page, and it was trees made out of these stamps. Let's just add some of these in there for a little extra. Small branches, right? And that's all there is to it, you guys. We're just making some baby trees. Let's do another one. Let's do, here, we'll make this tree a little bit bigger because I wanted to use this one as the base. Let's make this a little thinner tree. My birthday tree. Like a whole meadow of trees. How about that? Fun, huh? That's all there is to it. Let's do one that's like, maybe, I think we're going to use the green. So let's make sure that it works okay. And I thought we would just pop, you know, 1 or 2 little trees on those 2 pieces of paper. And see what happens. Okay, let's do this. And then we'll do that. And, you know, I think we could also do like, we could do like a flower too. Well, I just did it again. I only wanted half of it. Oops, things are falling. Okay, I'm going to have to make sure. I don't know that I want to use this one for all of it. Just because. But let's try this. Let's try to make a flower. Kind of a dandelion-esque. I don't know. Kind of looks like it. You just keep going until you got it where you wanted it. Kind of like that. How about we turn it this way? Oh, yeah. You know, and then you could just take a pen and, well, it'd have to be longer than that. You could even do a leaf right here. So, very easy, but kind of fun to play with. All right, let's do this for real. Let's do the real deal. All right, so we got these 2 together. Let's start with the top, because maybe, I don't know if I want one on both of them or just on one. So we'll just start down here. I'll be a little more careful. But I like them to be kind of offset, you know what I mean? Where's my, I need this. I need this. Do it this way. Yeah. Cute. Well, that is adorbs. Let's just leave well enough alone. Let's not get crazy with it. We'll just make it, you get it. It looks like a tree. All right, so that is good. Now, I could add some labels and things on it to zhuzh it up in the future. But this is 15-minute ephemera, which means that, do I want a little baby one at the bottom? No. But what I do want to do, let's do this. Let's just put some, oh, I better, see, it was upside down. Still got a little bit of the black on it. Just to add a little punch at the bottom. Very, very simple. Not much to it. I could add a whole bunch of other things. But for this, we're going to leave it like that. And there we have a little tree to add into the tree journal. A la Hazel and Aka. I thought this was a cute idea. And if I gave it a little more time, I could probably think of a whole lot of other things to, designs to make. But I haven't. So that's all you're getting today. But tell me, what would you make with these? I mean, I could see maybe, even maybe little animals. I don't know. I don't know what that would look like. All right, now we're going to make a big bow. I like big bows. I like big bows and I cannot lie. Come on. Come to mama. There we go. Perfect. Look at how cute that is. Very simple. Very easy. You can whip these out in no time at all. So I hope you enjoyed that little 15-minute ephemera today. And until next time, friends, remember to take time to just be, and we'll talk to you soon. Cheers.